Here's another example of frozen screens. This one froze at 9:09. This one's froze at 10:47. Another 9:09. 12:08. This one down here is running. That one froze. That one's frozen. That one's frozen. I've got one running camera right now. This one, and they're freezing at random times. This is after hours. There's no reason for this to happen. Now, let's see what happens. I use the mouse. Mouse works just fine. I right click, the menu comes up. I'm not logged in right now. If I click on that outdoor camera, now we're updated. Now the clock's running. Click out. That one's working again. They're all working again. Sometimes they all work again. Sometimes certain ones still stay frozen. But this is unacceptable. And we've been dealing with this for months. Many reports to Lorex support. This needs to be solved. This is what happens before the cameras start to freeze. Everyone walks like a robot. And there's the frozen one. Just froze. There's some jittery. This is impossible to use as security. Oh, that one just froze. Oh, now it's coming back. And frozen. That one just froze. Now it's coming back. I'm sure it'll freeze again. There it goes.